Rolling Stoners, it's that time again. I think you all know that Tasz has had a fun time packing. It's getting to the point where my car feels like a pack horse, and there's more bags, more everything coming. And because Ling's around, we've got to try and figure out, we have to try and figure out space issues. So Tasz has decided to compromise, and let's have a look at what the compromise looks like, okay?
Let me just explain something. So if you come closer, Cameron's shoes are these two pairs of tackies that I think he's worn once, and the shoes on his feet.
There's my shoes there, my Berkeys.
So I am willing to maybe admit that besides just a bag issue, I might just have a shoe issue as well, which I've only just realised when you made me pack out all my shoes. So
are we taking the cat?
The bag?
Are we taking the cat?
Hello, kitty cat. Hey,
He wants
man.
to go home.
He's coming with us
I
to
am
the
going to play
Kruger.
devil's advocate. Did we include all of the laundry that we did?
No. She's so bad. Okay, so when you come around the corner, don't judge. We all have issues. I know it was a long trip and it could have been any weather, which it has been. So it was an all-weather terrain shoe cover that I had to bring. So you can make the decision.
I think if we had a van, Tasz, maybe somebody wants to sponsor us a van.
Okay, so start over there.
No ways. You've got to be joking. That is crazy.
And I needed them all, you see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. That's a new pair. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What do you have to say for yourself?
The ones that you washed?
I need them all. I've got one more in the car that I need, so it's 15 shoes, but I'm going to get rid of some of them. So I realise I've only been wearing the ones that I always wear, these. So I took them thinking that I would wear them. But there's like hiking boots, and then there's smart shoes, and then there's my older shoes that I can't leave home.
Yeah, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of slops.
You're going to take away my soul. You take away my shoes. So we'll get rid of some of the shoes.
In her defense.
I'm keeping the boots.
In her defense, and I shouldn't be defending her. Look how neatly she's packed everything. So this is now in lieu of repacking the status quo of the car so that we don't feel like we're a pack horse. And that's the story. So
It's hard to defend it when I do it all.
yeah, you check. Ling says it's hard to defend it when she sees it in so much glory. Guys, I asked you, like at the beginning of this, I need advice. And
Can I keep half?
And I'm feeling like it's becoming a thing now. It's a really weighty problem for me.
Look, if anybody looks at them and they
Hold on.
They can suggest which ones are most practical. I really do think that I need my hiking boots.
Okay, I would agree your hiking boots. One pair of slops. You don't need plastic.
But I need to wash them every day.
So those are the 5 pairs you want to take.
And my boots just in case, yeah.
And your boots just in case.
And
Is
the
that
depths of
the
that-
boots? The boots, are they for maybe winter in 3 months' time
No,
or
it's actually, I really need the boots because I packed all my socks in the boots, so that's...
okay, no, the boots can go. The boots can
Where am I
go.
gonna put my socks?
In a bag. In one of those mini bags over there. And these can all go, including the new clonkies you bought, which broke on the first day. Okay, Tasz,
Okay.
look here. Good on you for owning up.
See my shoe problem.
We appreciate it.
Taking shoe now.
Okay, I'll
Get
shoot.
out so I can actually finish packing.
Say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye, don't just like us. Don't just follow us. Come and roll with us.